Hello dear viewers all. On this video, I will show you how to recover deleted or lost files from internal or external storage, including formatted or corrupted disks using FoneLab Data Retriever app. As it is known that deleted files can be easily recovered from the recycle bin without need for programs or tools, but if the files are deleted permanently, for example by pressing the Shift+Delete keys from keyboard, or when the recycle bin was emptied after files deletion, on such cases, you can't retrieve the deleted files without using a third-party app. There are many data recovery apps that share the same functions and recovery scenarios, but what amazed me about FoneLab Data Retriever app is its superior ability to recover all deleted files of any kind, whether from visible or hidden partitions or even from corrupted storages. In addition, this wonderful program can restore lost files from a computer that failed to boot, as this app is distinguished by its ability to run and scan for deleted files even when it is launched from the advanced Windows recovery environment. Even though FoneLab Data Retriever app is used to recover lost data on Windows or Mac computers, a variety of other devices and media storages are supported by this app too. For example, you can recover lost images or videos from digital camera camcorders such as Canon, Sony, Panasonic, and other camcorders. Flash drives such as SanDisk, Samsung, Kingston, and other pin drives. Memory cards such as SD card, micro SD card, mini SD card. External hard drives such as SSD or HDD drives. Not only will you recover mistakenly deleted files, but also recovering lost files due to different scenarios, such as viral attack, crashed device, wrong operation, formatted storage, corrupted drive, pulling out SD card while the camera is on, and many more recoverable scenarios. However, on this video I will show you only some unfamiliar retrieving scenarios and unique features of FoneLab Data Retriever app, including tips and tricks for effective recovery. First part, how to recover lost data from a formatted disk. Before recovering data from a formatted disk, I will scan my USB drive for lost files to compare files before and after formatting. If there are no recoverable files when using Quick Scan, the app will run a deep scanning process automatically. Deep scan takes longer time according to the disk reading speed, disk size, and number of the recoverable files. The app found 1,894 recoverable files after deep scanning. Now, let's do formatting for the same USB flash drive, just to see whether the app can recover files after formatting or not. Note, for illustration purposes, I'm formatting my USB drive after taking a backup of important files, but you should not format your drive if you want to recover your data from the same drive. Just connect the USB drive in question and then start the FoneLab Data Retriever app. Select the USB drive from the list of removable drives. Click Scan to start scanning for lost files. Let's show my disks and partitions to confirm that the app is able to find the lost files on the formatted USB drive despite its empty status due to formatting. As you can see, the app recovers 906 files after formatting, compared to 1,894 files before formatting, but it is still representing a significant number for recovered files from a formatted disk. Second part, how to retrieve data from a corrupted USB drive or memory card. It is common knowledge that memory cards or USB flash drives are the most vulnerable to damage and file loss among the rest of the storage media. This damage may occur as a result of a virus attack, sudden memory removal from the camera, mobile phone, computer, or any other device, or perhaps as a result of the device stopping during the process of writing to the memory, or for any other reason. Therefore, you may be surprised by the inability to open that memory or disk in the computer with an error message that says, "Please insert a disk into USB drive," or, "You need to format the disk in drive H before you can use it. Do you want to format it now?" If you have a corrupted USB drive or memory card with similar or different error message, you have a chance to recover your lost files and data easily using FoneLab Data Retriever as followings. Start the app and then select the corrupted media from the list of external drives. Click Scan option to start scanning process. The app will start Quick Scan followed by Deep Scan automatically. Once the deep scanning finished, check the first option under Deep Scan and then click on Recover to restore all data from the corrupted drive. Select any destination folder or partition in which you want to save recovered files, but not on the memory card or drive that you have retrieved data from. Back to the File Explorer and then right-click the corrupted drive or memory card. Select Format option if available and then do formatting in FAT32 file system. If the formatting option not available, try to format the disk using disk management as followings. Right-click on Start icon and then select Disk Management option. Select the partition of removable disk and then select Format option. Click OK to start formatting in FAT32 system. After that, send recovered files into the USB card if you don't want to keep files in the internal drive. Finally, if you are interested on FoneLab Data Retriever app, you can download and install it easily from the official page using provided links in the video description. The app has many supported platforms, such as Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and 8.1, Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows XP. In addition, it can be installed on Apple or Mac computers as well. After installing the app, you can purchase an activation key from the official website. All the prices of the plans currently offered are considered nothing when compared to the capabilities of the program, especially if we know that the cost of data retrieval at computer maintenance shops may reach twice the price of the program. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.